Find something funky on there. Just in case we gotta rip this joint up.
So here's the thing. I'm looking at some of the country's finest thugs, and of course, young Mozart in a go-kart over there. People love great bank robbery stories, so let's give them something bold and brazen as to talk about over their lattes.
What's you listening to? Oh, let me check. Tequila.
This shit is bananas, dog.
Tequila.
Well, aren't you the lucky one?
That's right. You tell him, baby.
That's some Oscar shit right there.
You're damn right. I'm sorry, ma'am.
What the f?